Good morning everyone. Today we are at the Bhuigaon Beach. It's a month of January and we are here to look for waders. Bhuigaon Beach has a very easy access from Vasai. You can take a train till Nala Sopara station, and from there a public transport till Bhuigaon bus stop, the last bus stop, and from there you can probably walk to the beach, which is about 1 kilometer more or less. And if you are coming by your own transport, then you can drive right up to the Bhuigaon Beach. Some interesting activity here today, not much, but maybe it's a Sunday and this beach is filled with picnic crowder. So the walk from the last bus stop to Bhuigaon Beach, about that kilometer of a walk, has a lot of fields and marshes in between. So maybe that you guys can get something over there along the way. We did manage to find ashy wood swallow, drongos and other species, but besides ashy wood swallow we saw oriental honey buzzards. These were the two interesting things besides the other normal birds that we get. So yeah, so probably a weekday would be a better at Bhuigaon. So after a nice birding, look what we found. Human footprints, and a lot of them. You know, we all come to a beach, we all want to have a picnic, that's fine, but just look at the state. Look at the kind of rubbish it is, and it is not monsoon debris, this is all paper plates, cups. The least we can do is all we can clean up after we finish our picnics. We really need to create a public awareness for this. So sad.